observe those guidelines.
According to InfoTrack, generally, 75% of Kenyans are worried with the coronavirus situation in the country. 50% are extremely worried, 25% are worried, 11% are somewhat worried, while 14% are not worried at all. 78% of Kenyans are concerned that there are many Kenyans in the country with Covid-19 but are not yet aware they have it. 76% are concerned that Kenya does not have enough resources to cope with large-scale pandemic, while another 76% of Kenyans believe that they will not be able to make ends meet should the pandemic persist. And 73% of Kenyans are concerned that Kenya does not have enough hospital beds to cope with large-scale pandemic. The poll has also established that the coronavirus pandemic has affected Kenyans financially and health-wise. 63% of Kenyans say coronavirus concerns them both as a personal health issue and a personal financial issue. The Covid-19 situation in the country has affected many Kenyans psychologically, and according to statistics, 82% feel anxious, 72% are keen on following the Covid-19 updates on news channels, 65% are confused about what is happening, while 60% are feeling confined and trapped.
This matter is one of grave concern for all of us, and you will see from the findings that 50% of the respondents indicated that they're extremely worried about the virus, the outbreak of the virus.
While Kenyans appreciate the efforts made by President to cushion the country during this COVID-19 crisis, Kenyans still feel that he could do more. 50% of Kenyans want the president to offer a weekly stipend for vulnerable citizens. 39% wants the president to ensure every Kenyan has access to affordable healthcare. 32% wants the president to ensure that vulnerable Kenyans are exempted from paying rent, while 23% wants the government to ensure that no Kenyan will lose their job.
Now, in terms of stakeholder performance in dealing with the virus, we find that health workers, particularly the Minister of Health, the media, and the President, have scored very favorably. And if I just direct you to the column there highlighted in purple, we find that 58% of Kenyans think that health workers are doing either an excellent or good job.
InfoTrack conducted the interviews via computer-assisted telephone interviews between March 30th to 2nd April 2020, where a sample of 831 respondents were interviewed in 24 counties to represent the Kenyan adult population. Reporting for Ebru TV, Ambusara na Aman.
Significant number of respondents